Welcome to the second part of the MongoDB lecture series. In this video, I'll show you how to get MongoDB set up on your computer so we can start playing around with it. To get started, visit mongodb.com in a browser and click Download in the top right corner. This will bring you to the Downloads page. Click Community Server and select the operating system that you're running and click Download. To save us time, I've already downloaded and extracted the archive from mongodb.com. But while you're waiting for it to download on your end, MongoDB requires us to create a data folder. If you're on OS 10, navigate to the / directory and create a new folder called data, all lowercase. Inside of the data folder, make another folder called db, all lowercase. Great. Now let's return to the folder that we just downloaded from mongodb.com. Inside, you'll find a bin folder. Open this folder and you'll find a number of executable files. Before we can use MongoDB, we have to run it locally. To do that, open the MongoDB executable. This will open a new terminal window that prints the details of the MongoDB server that is now running. If that went well, then we can return to this folder and open the Mongo executable. This will open a shell that allows you to interact with your database and execute commands. Now we're ready to build a database. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll create our first collection and perform some basic queries to add and modify documents in that collection.